Getting a data analyst job is one of the most difficult things to do as a data analyst. Yes, learning the tools can be easy, but getting the job, it is not funny. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 practical things you can do to help you land your data analyst job. Hi, my name is Becky. If you are new to my channel, in this channel I give out tutorial videos on data analytics tools and also videos like this to help you this career to grow. So in today's video, I'm going to share 3 practical things you can do to actually help you land your first data analytics job. So the thing is that I understand how frustrating this whole situation can be. I've been there before. It is not easy. It is very difficult. You get to a point that you start doubting yourself, start even wondering whether you chose the right career path. No, you don't need to worry about that. You did choose the right career path. And then you are wondering, what are you doing wrong? You can see your friends getting jobs faster than you, and that's the truth. Sometimes it doesn't just work that fast. Some people get jobs faster, while some don't. That doesn't mean you will never get a job. That doesn't mean you are not fit for this field. No, you are. Okay, it might take some people 3 months, 6 months, or even a year. Some people 2 years. I know some people that got their first job after 2 years. As long as, that's why I usually say it's important for you to have your reasons for going into this field. If it's just to sharply make quick money, it is not for you. But if you know you like data, you like to solve problem with data, and you want to build a career in the long run in this field, then this is the right field for you. So you just have to be patient. Just be patient. Continue improving yourself, then you eventually get that job. So now I'm just going to share 3 practical steps or tips that will help you in this journey. The first is, after every 20 to 50 applications, do a review on your CV and LinkedIn. So this thing is very important, because let's say you've applied to jobs, 20 to 50 different jobs, and you are not being called back. You're not getting any positive response from them. That means it might actually be from your CV. So instead of using the same CV, applying to thousands or many jobs, we still with them CV, I'm not getting any positive feedback. Why don't you review your CV? Maybe something is wrong with it, or maybe there's something that can be done better. So we take your time. After every 20 to 50 applications with no positive feedback, review your CV and also review your LinkedIn, because maybe you are not portraying yourself the way you should. You're not presenting yourself the way you should. I've realized something. Those that actually get jobs or referrals through LinkedIn are people that mostly show their project, people that work on project, that show their project, that work on practical things that solves problem in the society and show on LinkedIn. Those are the kind of people that usually get called back, or companies or recruiters usually reach out to them. I've observed that. So if all you do most times is just share maybe a quick advice or something you've learned as a test or like an article, you need to do more than that. You need to start working on projects and putting it out there. When they see that, oh, you can handle this kind of problem with data, a company or a recruiter can reach out to you. So that's one of the things you can do to help you in this journey. So the second thing you need to do is to keep growing. Yes, keep building projects, keep adding projects to your portfolio. Many people, the last time they built a project and they added to their portfolio website is like many months or years. It's not meant to be that way. Always improve yourself, learn new things, build new projects, add new projects in your portfolio, update your portfolio regularly. This will also help you, give you things to talk about on your LinkedIn. Work on new projects, update your portfolio. If you don't know how to build a portfolio website, I'm going to put a link to a video I made on building a portfolio website up here. Always update your portfolio all the time. That's why I said be patient and just keep growing. You will eventually get the job you are looking for. So update your portfolio regularly, learn new things, and keep building beautiful projects and adding them to your portfolio. Just keep doing that, keep learning, and trust me, you're going to get that job. Now I'm going to talk about the last practical thing you can do, which is paying for coaches or paying an expert that can review your resume for you. Yes, I know we don't want to do anything that has to do with spending money, but the truth is that if you've been in this level for so long, then why can't you just do this? Why can't you pay a coach that have been there before to help you? Maybe to find out it will be a personal solution, a personal problem, find out what exactly you are doing wrong and help you. And these coaches can keep you accountable. And then let me say someone as an expert, CV writer or resume creator can help review your resume and help build a better one for you. Why don't you just try it? I mean, you've been in this road for too long. How much are you going to spend? The job you're going to get will cover up for any expenses you're going to make. So why don't you look out for experts and pay for their mentorship to coach you? Look for career coach, look for career experts in this field to help you. Trust me, a lot of people are ready to help. They just need to be paid. So look for people to pay that will help you. Also, if you can pay for those that can build resume for you, please do so. These 3 things are going to help make your job hunting easier. So guys, be patient. Trust me, you're going to get there. Trust me, your dreams are valid. You are definitely going to get that job. Okay, just keep building, just keep learning, and just keep adding value to the world, and all you're looking for will definitely come to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you were helped by this video, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and share to your friends so that they can also benefit from this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.